Looking for a food processor without spending a fortune? Well, I do all the research so you don't have to. Here are the 5 best food processors under $100. Ranked. Coming in at number 5 is the Hamilton Beach Chopper, our best budget pick at just $25. This compact electric chopper makes quick work of veggies and purees with its one-hand operation. Though it does have a smaller bowl, it's perfect for quick tasks and saving space. Next up at number 4, we have the GANIZA Dual Bowl, which is fantastic for meal prep and only $35. It comes with 2 bowls for all your big and small jobs, plus discs for slicing, shredding, and even a dough blade. Just be aware that those extra parts mean a little more washing. Our number 3 spot goes to the Black & Decker 8 Cup, offering incredible value at $52. This model boasts a generous 8-cup capacity and serves as 3 tools in one: processing, chopping, and blending, all with tool-free assembly. The only little drawback is a slightly louder motor. The runner-up at number 2 is the Martha Stewart 10 Cup, our pick for best big capacity at $70. You get a huge 10-cup bowl, stainless steel discs for perfect slicing and shredding, and a wide feed chute that fits whole vegetables. Just remember, that large capacity does mean it takes up a bit more storage space. And our top pick, number 1, is the Ninja Professional Plus, the best overall choice at $100. This powerhouse features a 1,000-watt motor, a 9-cup bowl, and 4 preset programs for chopping, slicing, pureeing, and dough, handling practically anything you throw at it. While it's the priciest of the 5, its performance is unmatched. So there you have it, our top 5 food processors under $100, with the Ninja Professional Plus taking our number 1 spot. Links to all 5 are in the description. Thanks for watching.